Auto3P Horizon, a highly advanced global system for an online car reception and repair proposals management to improve the service advisor performance. As the online application is integrated within the DMS, it enables the service advisor to perform vehicle reception and prepare a repair proposal for both the customer and the insurance company during the customer's reception. The application is used to document the vehicle's status at the time of reception. Vehicle identification is automatically completed by a photo of the identification plate. The service advisor takes snapshots around the vehicle and fills in any missing details such as odometer, fuel status, etc. Shortly after the vehicle reception and documentation is finalized, the customer signs over the tablet. The DMS system is immediately updated and the customer receives a copy via SMS to his mobile phone. Furthermore, the service advisor produces a repair proposal based on the Auto3P Horizon system. Preparation of the complete repair proposal is swift and efficient. Up to 4 minutes. With every click over the vehicle image, replacement or repair parts are selected, and the application automatically and immediately calculates the total cost of the damage, including part prices and labor rates. Auto3P's innovations are full steam ahead. Now, simply with your voice, use SD, your estimate assistant. Using simple and clear instructions, you dictate into the application the preparation of an automatic initial estimate immediately. Just select the voice button and start talking. The rest is our responsibility. You can use your cell phone or tablet. It's always with you. It is just that simple, fast, and accurate. The completed repair proposal is automatically integrated within the DMS system and is accessible to the expert, the insurance company, and the customer. Auto3P Horizon, technological innovation in service of smart management.